Tonight, we're learning more about the second person in Chicago with coronavirus.
He is the husband of the first patient and was being closely watched when he started showing symptoms. CBS 2's Marissa Parra is live in Hoffman Estates, where the couple is in isolation. Marissa.
Brad and Erica, the hospital says the only people allowed in the isolation room are those who have special training. And before they even are allowed inside, they have to put on gowns, masks, and gloves and face shields. It's all in an effort to keep the virus from further spreading. The newest coronavirus victim got the virus from his wife, both of them in their 60s, both Chicago residents. Because of the man's close contact with her, doctors have been monitoring him since last week. On Tuesday, he started showing symptoms and doctors immediately put him in hospital isolation. Unlike his wife, who is otherwise healthy, we've learned he has an underlying health condition. They say they don't believe he took public transit or attended any large gatherings, but the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is still closely investigating everywhere he traveled in the last 2 weeks and anyone he came into close contact with. Close contact, according to the CDC, is defined as at least 10 minutes of face-to-face interaction. Officials say that while they don't think this is a local emergency, there could be other cases.
Currently in Illinois, there are 21 individuals who are considered persons under investigation.
But the Chicago Department of Health would not tell us how many or if any of these people under investigation had been in close contact with this husband and wife. As for the question on whether there's any possibility that the virus can spread from someone without symptoms, the CDC says they don't think so, but it depends on who you ask.
There have been some reports out of China potentially reporting that. CDC has been careful to clarify that they need to have some direct access to that data, and some of that is happening.
That positive test for the man here came in last night, and we've learned so far these tests have about a 48-hour turnaround from the CDC, whether they are positive or negative for coronavirus. Live from Hoffman Estates, Marissa Parra, CBS 2 News.
All right, Marissa, thank you. The World Health Organization has declared the coronavirus outbreak a global emergency. The U.S. State Department will charter additional flights to bring Americans home from Wuhan. There are now 98 cases outside China. You can watch the entire news conference with the Cook County Health Department on the CBS Chicago app.